Now, even though the temps are on the rise here, there's one place, though, known for its cold weather, and it's hitting the 70s this week. Sven, explain. What's happening?
You know, normally you wouldn't think this is the case, right? We beat Alaska to hitting 70 in the season, right? Not this year. No, look at, now it's the southern part of Alaska, which borders British Columbia, but still, Klawak. I think that's how you say it. I've never been there. 70 degrees the other day. On Tuesday, it broke a record for the all-time March temperature record and the earliest that they've ever hit 70 degrees. It's been this persistent pattern for the last several weeks. It's also been breaking up the ice in the Bering Strait. This should normally be encased in ice this time of year, and it was back in January, but look at what happened over February. When we were super cold, they've been super warm, and that pattern finally breaking down. But Siberia and Alaska, very warm December, January, February. We literally were draining out all the cold in the Arctic over the last several weeks. This pattern, though, finally breaking down with the warmth in Alaska and the West Coast. Finally, we get in on that. Things get a little closer to normal, and it looks like that's finally going to give us some of these warmer temperatures that we've been starting to see this week and over the next several weeks. But a flip-flop pattern for the last basically 7 weeks.
Yeah, so we think 70 is great, but in that area, is 70 a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, it's coastal Alaska. I don't think it's one or the other. But the problem is the heat that all of that area has been seeing, breaking up the ice. You know, that's what polar bears need to hunt on and other things. Those things are a bigger impact.
Interesting. Sven, thank you.